Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Coredy Recorder. Before I begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. Starting with the unboxing, we can see that the box itself has some specifications listed on the left side and on the back. It has a 22-hour battery life, 73-hour recording time. It comes pre-installed with 4 gigs of memory. It also has a voice operated recording, and its memory can be expanded by another 64GB card. Opening the box reveals the recorder on top, covered in a plastic bag, and underneath it also has a telephone adapter to record phone calls, a cable to connect the phone to the telephone adapter, a micro USB cable for charging, an aux cable, and also a leaflet for free warranty extension. It also has a manual included, which shows you all the ways that the microphone can operate and shows you all of its different features. This is worth a look as it explains in detail the recorder's features. The recorder also has a small screen protector from the box, and looking at the top you can see the 2 grills where the microphones are. Looking at the screen you can see the logo and also a few buttons underneath, including a record, save and menu button alongside with the selection arrows, play, pause button, delete, flag and a return button. On the side you will also see a micro SD card slot and a reset button which can be accessed only with the tool, and it also has a microphone in and audio out port. On the side you will find the on-off switch and also a scene switch to change between class or individual voice. Switching on the recorder you will see the layout on the screen present, and going through the different modes you will easily grasp the hang of it. As you can see, the scene switch is also indicated on the screen, and the record button will be indicated with a small LED on top of the screen and also by the time shown on the screen itself. When it is already recording, you will notice you will not be able to switch the scene mode, so you would have to stop recording. To go to the settings you have to press the top left button. To view recordings you have to press the play pause button and the files will load up. I have also done a test for you to show you how VOR works. So this is a recording with the VOR on. As you can tell, it automatically pauses when it does not hear any sound. There is also a fast forward feature to fast forward through a recording, and can also slow down the recording. Recording with the VOR on. As you can tell, it automatically pauses when it does not hear any sound. So as you can see, the second timer is actually pausing. So this is a good way of saving the storage on the Coredy itself. This is a quick recording with the Coredy Voice Recorder, and with this quick test you should be able to tell how the audio quality sounds and if it's any good or not according to your taste. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.